Whenever an extreme weather event happens, one of the first questions everyone wants to know is, was this latest hurricane caused by global warming or not? If you asked 100 climate scientists, nearly every one of us would agree that a given hurricane did not occur because of climate change, but it could be exacerbated by it in a few different ways. First, in a warmer world, there's more water vapor available for storms to sweep up and dump on us, and hurricanes are very big storms. We have already seen increases in heavy precipitation around the world as the planet has warmed. This is one of the symptoms of climate change that has been definitely fingerprinted or attributed to human-induced change. It's estimated that almost 40% of the rainfall that fell during Hurricane Harvey would not have occurred if the same hurricane had happened hundreds of years ago when the world was not as warm as today. Nearly every scientific study agrees that as the world warms, the amount of rainfall associated with hurricanes will increase on average. Second, as the world warms, the seas are rising. As land-based ice melts and warm ocean water expands. This increases the risks associated with storm surges. With more water behind them, they can be more powerful. And with higher sea level, more coastal areas will be flooded during a given storm on average than would have been 50 or 100 years ago. And then we have the fact that hurricanes get their energy from warm ocean water. And over 93% of the extra heat being trapped inside the climate system by this blanket of heat-trapping gases we're wrapping around the Earth, over 93% of that heat is going where? Into the ocean. There's other factors in play, but all else being equal, warmer oceans will increase the energy available to hurricanes, so they can intensify faster as they pass over areas with unusually warm water. That's why it's likely that we will see more intense hurricanes in the future. Not only that, but we now know too that hurricanes are getting bigger and they're also getting slower as the planet warms. So they can cover greater area and they can sit over us for longer and dump more rain on us today than they could before. So how will the number of hurricanes and other tropical cyclones and typhoons change in the future? What we know right now suggests that we might not see any increases in the total number of hurricanes in the future, but the storms we will see will most likely be fiercer ones. Here's the bottom line. Climate change doesn't cause most hurricanes or floods or even wildfires, but it does make them stronger and more devastating. So if we only use our experience with past disasters to inform future preparation, we will be dangerously underestimating coastal flooding, rainfall, and even the average strength of the hurricanes that come our way. To protect ourselves from weather and climate disasters, we need to be looking to the future, not the past.